Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with Tom. This is where I go through particular case studies that for clients where we're getting wins with different banks in different corners of credit policies. And this particular case study this week is for a couple, first home buyers. They were looking to purchase a property and for about $650,000 in New South Wales, which is where they were looking to purchase the property. First home buyers won't pay stamp duty on an existing home, which is what this was. The clients had saved up about 5% or just over 5% of the purchase price. And because they were first home buyers and met other eligibility criteria, they also qualified for the first home guarantee, which is where they can borrow 95% of the purchase price without paying any lender's mortgage insurance. And I've covered mortgage insurance, another one of these real talks. So effectively, it's you pay the bank's insurance, and it's not an insurance policy that covers you, and it covers the bank in the event of a default, and they make a loss on the loan. So it's important to try to avoid that where possible. Can be really beneficial in certain circumstances, just not when you can avoid it. And so that was what these clients were able to do in particular. What's important to show is that you've got what's called genuine savings. So banks going to want to understand that you've saved 5% of the purchase price within an account that's in only the name of the borrowers for at least the most recent 3 months leading up to the application. So they were able to demonstrate that as well. And we're able to, under that particular scheme, the first home guarantee, banks have particular products that allow borrowers to access interest rates as if the loan was at a 70 or an 80% loan to value ratio in any case. So not only were they able to borrow 95% of the purchase price, they're able to get an interest rate which was effectively as if the loan was at an 80% or a 70% loan to value ratio. So that was a really great outcome for those clients. As I said, there are some particular qualifying criteria under those schemes, in particular first home guarantee, where there's income requirements and you've got to be citizens, which is actually shortly changing. We've covered that in another video as well, but that's what it is at the moment. Shortly it will change to being able to be a permanent resident, be able to be a citizen as well, and there's a bunch of other changes as well. But that's this week's particular case study, and look forward to updating you next week with another one. Thanks guys, speak to you later.